Hi there, I'm Michal from Plauti. Today, I'm excited to show you a feature that is vital to our software, the duplicate check search index. Creating and maintaining a search index is essential to finding all duplicate records in your Salesforce database. Thanks to the index, your results will be far more accurate. So, what is this search index? Think of it as a unique hash, a string of characters that is calculated for every record in your system. This isn't just a random set of characters. This unique hash helps duplicate check to find all duplicate records, even the ones that are well hidden in your database. The beauty of our system lies in its customization. We allow you to use any field of your choice in a scenario, and thanks to the search index, we can make that work. And here is a neat twist. Our index employs the soundex algorithm. This is a phonetic system designed to recognize names by how they sound. This is what allows for fuzzy matching, so that when you compare JJ and JJ, you'll still find the similarity and the duplicate. So, you might be wondering, why not just skip using the search index? So, for starters, it grants you better results overall. It improves fuzzy results, meaning those near matches that standard algorithms might overlook. You gain the ability to search with custom fields that are not indexed by Salesforce. You get improved matching large datasets and an ability to optimize the frequent words setting for an even sharper search experience. Now, let's see how you can configure the search index. So first, go to DC Setup. Then, on the left-hand side, under Object Setup, select the objects you want to create the search index for. Click the Object Setting tab and toggle Search Index on. Then, go to the Index Batch tab. Click Start Index and create Search Index. The index is kept up to date automatically for newly inserted records and updated records. And if you make changes to a scenario, it is vital that you re-index all existing records. Thanks for watching, and for more information about duplicate check, visit plauti.com.